Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Korean special cute miniature cake which is bento cake. These are cute little cakes and can be given as gifts to your loved ones. I have made butterscotch and vanilla flavored bento cakes. Especially kids will enjoy bento cakes. Let's make the sponge cake first. Take half cup of maida or all-purpose flour in a sieve. Add in half a teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve the flour mix so that everything combines well. The flour mix is ready now. Take 2 eggs in a mixing bowl and beat it nicely using an electric beater. Once the egg turns frothy, add in half a cup of powdered sugar. Add the sugar little by little and beat well. The egg should double in volume and turn cream in color. The sponginess of the cake depends on how well we are beating the egg mix. This is called ribbon consistency and this should be the texture of the egg and the sugar mix. Add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. In goes half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat it until everything combines well. Now slowly add in the flour mix little by little and mix well. Add in 1/4 cup of hot milk while folding in the flour mix. Flour mix and the hot milk should be added alternatively and mix the batter gently. Do not use electric beater while mixing the flour mix. This should be the consistency of the cake batter. Cake batter is ready now and let's bake the cake. I am going to make sheet cake, hence I have taken this rectangular pan. Grease the pan with oil and line it with parchment paper. Pour the cake batter into the baking pan. Spread the cake batter evenly on the baking pan. Give it a tap so that the air bubbles goes off. Bake the cake for 20 to 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Well, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. The sponge cake has perfectly baked and cooled the cake completely. The cake has cooled down and I removed it from the baking pan. For the bento cakes, I am going to cut these cakes into 3-inch round pieces. I am going to make 2 bento cakes out of this sheet cake. So I need 6 slices of cakes. I am able to cut 5 circle and 2 semicircle shaped cakes. Actually, I am using a long cup to cut this cake. The diameter of circle shaped cake is 3-inch. Cute little cake slices are ready now. These are circle cakes and here comes the semicircle cakes. While frosting, I'll combine 2 semicircle cakes so that it forms a circle. We need 1 cup of whipped cream. I have chilled this whipped cream so that it stays firm. This is simple syrup wherein I have mixed in half a cup of hot water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cool the simple syrup before frosting the cake. Now let's move on to the interesting part, which is cake frosting. First, I'm going to make butterscotch bento cake. Place the sponge cake and brush it with simple syrup. This simple syrup will keep the cake moist. Now spread the layer of whipped cream. Level it evenly with a spatula. Add in 2 teaspoons of butterscotch sauce. Well, this is leftover butterscotch sauce while making butterscotch cake. I'll leave the butterscotch recipe in iCard. Butterscotch recipe cake also will be shared soon. Spread the butterscotch sauce and place in the second layer. Soak the cake with the simple syrup. So each bento cakes will have 3 layers of sponge cakes. Apply a layer of whipped cream and level it evenly. Add in a layer of butterscotch sauce. Since the bento cakes are small in size, I am using small spatula so that it will be easy to work on the cake. Soak the cake with the simple syrup and cover the cake with the whipped cream. I am giving thin layer of whipped cream frosting, which is called crumb coating. Now refrigerate this cake for 30 minutes. Now comes the second bento cake. This cake has no filling, this is just plain bento cake. For the middle layer, I am placing 2 semicircle cakes. The 3 layers of cakes are frosted with whipped cream. Now place the cake in refrigerator for 30 minutes. The butterscotch cake is taken out of refrigerator. Now cover the cake with a thick layer of yellow colored whipped cream frosting. Level the cake evenly using a spatula. Since these are miniature cakes, we should be quite careful while frosting the cake. I am using this dough scraper to level the cake evenly on the sides and the top of the cakes. The cake is almost leveled on all the sides. Well, I'm not expert in frosting the cake. Using a cake comb, I'm giving small design like this. Now I'm giving white colored small flower shaped border along the sides of the cake. Fill the cake with the butterscotch sauce using a piping bag. Actually, I have microwaved the butterscotch sauce and hence it's a loose consistency. This cake is so beautiful and I'm happy with the outcome. Here comes the second cake. I'm going to give small flower shape. I'm marking the borders for the flowers using this nozzle. Take any color whipping cream in a piping bag. I'm using writing tip nozzle here. Actually, I mixed red and blue color. Surprisingly, I got this color which I loved it. Draw small flowers like the way I'm doing. I'm giving small dots along the sides of the cakes. Actually, you can use your creativity and make variety of bento cakes. Beautiful looking Korean special bento cakes are ready now. You can place these bento cakes on takeout boxes as well. Do try this cute little miniature cake and share me the feedback. If you try this cake, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Look at the texture of the cake, friends. This is so spongy and delicious. Try this beautiful looking cakes for your loved ones and enjoy. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.